Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to make an organization chart PowerPoint. To get started, open the PowerPoint presentation. When doing so, go to the Insert menu and from Shapes select the text box. Now, adjust the size of the text box. In this box, you are going to enter the data of the desired charges, and to obtain a better visualization, use the Tab key. When you finish entering the data, select all the text. Right-click on it, and in the Convert to Smart Art option, select Organization Chart. You can see that the data is now organized under this model. Adjust the size of the box for better detail of the information. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.